So hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I create really smooth melting animation with using RealFlow plugin. So firstly guys, I'm going to take a object like this, cylinder, yeah, and change cylinder radius. Guys, radius I like 10 centimeter and height half like 100, yeah. So now guys, I go to display, select here lines, and now I go to caps and create smoothness. So fill it check. Guys, radius this one I like 2 centimeter. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, select this cylinder and copy. Same Control C and V. Select and change this orientation. This one plus Z. Yes, right. Okay, so guys, select this one and one more time copy and last time copy. See guys, I have 4 cylinders, right? Okay, so guys, now I change rotation. So guys, select this one, select third one and rotation. H I like 60 and fourth one like 120. Yes, right? See. Okay, so guys, more. Select this one, cylinder 1 and change P rotation like minus 30 and this one 30, yeah, and this one minus 30. Yes. See guys, that's my object, right? Okay, so guys, select this one, little bit increase size like this, yeah, and down. Yes. See guys, that's my object. Okay, so guys, select all cylinders and group Alt G. Yes, that's my null object. And guys, second object I take cube and size 2000, y-axis 10, and third one 2000. Yeah, guys, select this cube and go to down like this. Yes, good. Little bit up. Yeah, great. Okay, so guys, now select this null object and now I create rotation animation. So go to on here, frame, I like 500. Yes, and guys, select this null and chord and guys, create animation like this. Yeah, so guys, go to 0 and check and go to 500 frames and 1080. Yes, and press this animation key. Yeah, and play. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, now I change graph editor keyframe, select this null and I go to window, select timeline F curve tool. Yeah, guys, smaller. Yes, like this. Select this keyframe and press this liner tool, this one, and click. Yeah, so go to back and again play. Yeah, this one is good, right? Okay, so guys, my rotation animation is finished and save this project. Go on desktop. That's my folder. Yes, right. Okay, so now guys, I apply RealFlow. So go to on here screen. Yes, and emitter, use circle, this one. Yeah, circle, this one. And guys, little bit increase this position 150. Yeah, actually 120. Yes, 120 is good, right? Okay, so guys, go to object and size like 15 and 15. Yes, good, right? So go to on here animation, guys, little bit decrease speed, I like 150. Yeah, and play. Okay, so now guys, I go on here, flood this one and display size increase like this. Yes, right. Okay, so guys, I also change this flood type. So go to on here and type, guys, this time I use this one. Yes, and go to back and play. Yes, guys, resolution increase like 100. Yeah, and again play. Yes, see guys, that's my effect, right? Okay, so guys, now go to back. Also I create this vibrator effect on emitter. So go to here and use vibrator. Yes, and enable position check. Guys, amplitude 75, y-axis 0 and 75. Yes, and frequency I like 0.5 is good. Yeah, 0.5. Yes, and go to flood, take like 20 now and go to back and play. Yes, see guys, that's my changing position animation, right? It's good. Okay, so guys, you can also change seat like this. It's dependent on your work. Yeah, great. Okay, so guys, go to back and one more time go to flood here, and now guys, final I increase resolution like 300, density increase one more 0. Yes, and guys, velocity I like 0.15. Yes, see guys, that's my simple setting, right? Okay, and now guys, emitter is good, and also guys, I apply gravity, this one, and strength, gravity strength like 250. Yes, so gravity is good, 250. Flood setting, that's my flood setting, and emitter is good. And now guys, apply mesh tool, this one, measure, and guys, resolution little bit increase like low medium, I like low medium. And radius guys is dependent on your work, but I like 3, and increase smoothness 5. Yeah guys, thin 0.5 is good, and relax decrease like 0.3. Yes, I like this one. So go to back and play. Yes, see guys, that's my really smooth effect. So go on here. Yeah, right. Okay, so now guys, stop this animation. So go to back and guys, save this project. Yeah, okay, so guys, all is good. Now I apply collider tag. So guys, select this null and right click, go to real flow tag and use volume. Yes, and guys, volume collision I use high. Yeah, and one more time use collider. Yes, and guys, collider density, this one I like 0.1. Yes, and friction 0.5 is good. Yeah, and decrease bounce, this one 0.1. Yes, see guys, that's my simple setting, right? Okay, so now guys, save and play. Yeah, see guys, that's really good. See guys, that's my smooth animation, right? Okay, so guys, this animation take a little bit time, so stop this animation, stop. And now guys, apply this one tag, apply same on cube. So select this tag and control drag and drop. Yeah, simple, right? See, okay, so guys, one more time check all settings. So I go to screen, create more smoothness, this mesh, so auto params uncheck, and guys, take subtract 20 and 20. Yeah, and last one 40. Yeah, for more smoothness, right? Okay, so now guys, play. Okay, so guys, this animation take little bit time, so I stop this animation. That's my final effect, right? So screen is good, and mesh setting. Yeah, and emitter, that's my emitter, and also apply vibrator tag and go to flood. Yeah, this one guys, also you can increase more resolution like this. You can take 400, 500, is dependent on your system configuration, and use last one gravity. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so guys, my animation is finished. Now I apply some material. So guys, go to back. I have material file like this. Yeah, that's my material file. And guys, white material on this one plane, yeah, also sky, and apply this sky material. Yes, yeah, luminance, guys, change this one, HDRI environment, so go to texture, this one, yes, right, see, right, okay, so guys, select this sky, and guys, compositing tag and scene by camera uncheck, yeah. And now guys, apply this marble material on here, guys, same marble material, re-upload texture, yeah, marble texture, yes, and guys, change this cubic, yeah, and guys, I like UV change 50-50, guys, more, yes, better, right, see. Okay, so now guys, I apply this paint material on mesh, this one, that's my paint material. Guys, you can download this texture, HDRI texture, all material from my website and link in description. Yeah, see guys, that's my material, right? So apply on mesh tool, mesh, yeah, right? Okay, so guys, that's it. My final effect is finished, and go to render setting, use only global illumination, and cache use low, anti, select best, and this one level I take 2, yeah, and go to here, save. Guys, I always take JPEG sequences, so that's my folder like this, and take new folder and take render and take any file name, yeah, simple, and output use all frame, yeah, that's it guys. So close, and guys, last one, go to again screen and cache, use cache check, and cache simulation click. Guys, after cache, again create render. So guys, that's it. My final effect is finished. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. And guys, you can download this material and project file from my website, link in description.